Hola, Mrs. Bass, to the rescue again. I'm giving you I'm showing you some dances that, because you're gonna have some questions, and I don't know why this thing doesn't open, but I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna show you the first dance. The first dance is called flamenco. So I'm just gonna show you this, and it is a dance that is originated from Spain. Uses a lot of the hands clapping, that sound that you hear with the feet, and has a lot of attitude you can observe. And as I say again, it's originated from Spain. Let's see other sample. There's another sample right there. And I'm gonna put this slide so you can watch the whole video when you have some time and you want to enjoy some of this show. But for now, we're gonna leave it there. Just remember that is a dance that comes from Spain and has a lot of attitude, guitar, and then there's a specific instrument that they use. It's called castañuelas. That's like a clam, but it's not shown in this video. All right, let's go to the next one. The next dance is called tango. Tango is a very romantic dance that was originated in Argentina. So we have a sample tango. Let's move forward. This is a choreography. That's why it's danced very slow, very meticulously, if that's a word. So here it is. Romantic dance from Argentina, el tango. Alright, let's go to the next one. Next one is merengue. So for merengue is a dance that comes from the Dominican Republic. It had a lot of African influence. That's why it uses a lot of drums. Those you can hit. There's a big drum called tambora. That is the one that gives kind of the rhythm to the song. Involves a lot of moving the hips. So that's merengue. Let's go with the next one. The next one is called salsa. This is another link that doesn't work. So we're gonna put it here. And for salsa, we had this sample. Salsa is from Cuba. So salsa is another rhythm that had influence from the African rhythms. This is originated from Cuba. It is very popular in Puerto Rico and in Colombia. There are contests and they dance professionally. And what else do I tell you about salsa? There are big contests in Cali, Colombia. That's a city they call the capital of the salsa. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that about salsa. I think, there's a lot of trumpets involved and piano. Okay, let's go to the last one. The last one is a Colombian dance. It's the most popular dance in Colombia. It's called cumbia. Has African rhythms influence too, but this one is from Colombia, so just have that in mind. You will have the chance to look at all these videos. I put this slideshow there. You have some time, but for now I just wanted to give you some tips on that. You do need to watch this video before you answer your questions for the cultural element in your test. All right. That's it for now. I'll see you in class.